Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold closed below 3300, and gold is still struggling for a direction. As we all know, that gold is giving us a tough time for the last couple of days. Things are not going very well. Many indicators are not working, many tools are not working. Even our beloved FIBO is also not working. On Thursday, we discussed about two levels that we derive with the help of FIBO, and they also did not work on Friday. So things are still very tough with gold. And as I have already told you guys earlier also, that if you're a beginner, new trader, okay, finding it difficult to understand gold right now, you can look for opportunities outside gold because things are not very easy on gold right now. Especially I have observed that when gold is coming down to a particular level, instead of going up, gold is hunting down all the stop losses first and then it is going up. So gold is in hunting mood right now. Okay, so let's wait and watch and let's hope for a better week. If you have not joined the free Telegram community for timely updates and analysis, feel free to join. The link will be in the description and in the comment section. And please be careful because there are lots of scams also going on in my name. For example, see this community group with 30,000 subscribers is a scam. Then this is also a scam. Okay, so please be careful. Only join the group with the link in the description. Now let's look at the market sentiment first. Gold breaks 4-month winning streak. And if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold is showing indecision here. Because in the Forex sentiment meter, we can see 51% retail traders are on the sell side and 49% are on the buy side. We can see that retail traders are also confused regarding the direction of the market. And this is the hourly chart of gold. But before I proceed with the levels, I would like to show you something on the daily chart. Okay. And if I remove the drawings here, so overall the chart is bullish, there is no doubt about it, as we all know. Okay, but if we observe the chart carefully, we can see that we have a symmetrical triangle pattern. Symmetrical triangle pattern is a bilateral pattern, means here the direction of the breakout is not known. For example, in ascending triangle pattern, okay, we can expect a breakout will come towards the upside. It's a bullish pattern. In bearish descending triangle pattern, okay, we expect downside. But in symmetrical triangle pattern, okay, a breakout may come in any direction. So be careful. Next week we can expect some big moves on the chart of gold. Usually we don't see much volume or craziness, okay, on Monday, but in the last few months we have seen that Mondays are also crazy. So on Monday, if you see some big moves, do not be surprised because technically we can see on the daily chart of gold that there is a possibility of a breakout here. Okay, so now let's discuss the trading opportunities for Monday precisely. So we are back to the hourly chart of gold here, and you can see that I have drawn many lines here. Keep in mind that overall the chart for day traders is sideways. It means the number of buyers are almost equal in number. Yes, the chart is crazy, but yes, it is sideways. We don't have any direction. That's why we can look for trading opportunities on both sides of the market. And here the market opening is going to play a major role. If we see that market opening is silent, means normal Monday market opening, then you can wait for some time. But if you see that right after the market opening, there is a sudden selling pressure, okay, then you can look for a selling opportunity below 3284. You can look for a selling opportunity below 3284. How much you can expect? Here you can expect 50 to 60 pips. Why 50 to 60 pips only? Because we also have a support around this area. Just to be on the safer side, you can book your profits after 50 pips, okay, and observe the market. So market opening is going to play a major role. If market comes down with heavy volume, you can look for a sell below 3284 area. If you see that market has opened, market is coming down, but there is not much volume in the market, market is behaving like a normal Monday sleepy market, okay, in that scenario, okay, you can avoid the sell below 3284, means volume is going to play a major role, and you can look for a buy around 3278 3274, means 3278, 3274. This is your minor support. Keep in mind, this is not a very strong support. We are just considering the quick normal Monday scenario here. Because see, all the charts have many levels, but not all levels are good enough to take position. You can go for position if the volume is very low. For example, we have a support. Okay, we have a support here. Market will only be able to break the support if volume is very high. If volume is very low, then it won't be able to break it. So on Monday, usually we don't see much volume, but if volume comes, then obviously it will not work and you can just stay on the sell below 3284 area. But if you see that there is not much volume, but still market is going down, then you can wait for the market to take support around this particular area. If it bounces, well and good, you can be on the buy position. Okay, and you can see that I have also drawn a yellow dotted line here. So during the day, okay, during the day, if you see the market is going down, there is good amount of selling pressure. Okay, why we are discussing this? Because we can see market is forming lower highs. So formation of lower highs indicate that selling pressure may come. So if market breaks 3270 during the day, then also we can look for a sell position. Initially, your target should be 40 pips because I'm not expecting a complete breakdown. Means after 40 pips market may go up and then market may go down. Okay, so initially we can expect 40 pips. If you see the market is further potential, then you can continue with the sell position. Okay, and you can see that we also have a good support around 3257, 3250. This big support zone that we have discussed in our previous videos also is still very much valid. But I don't think so. Okay, market will directly come down to 5750 for support. If it does, we can expect a support. So everything depends on the market opening right now, and stay in touch with news. If any news comes out during the weekend, then obviously we are going to witness a crazy volatile market. If you see the market is going for a very much super trend, okay, then try to follow the trend of the market. If no news comes out during the weekend, then you can expect that more or less we can stick with the technicals. But due to any fundamental, if we get a strong direction, follow the direction. So let me wrap it up. Okay, let me take you to 15 minutes time frame so that you can understand better. So this is a 15-minute chart of gold. So after the market opening, okay, the volume is going to play a major role. If volume is high, we can look for a sell below this area. If there is not much volume in the market, you see a silent opening, then just leave it. Just wait for the market to come down to this buy zone. If market takes support, if you see the market is showing price rejection from below, you can go for a buy. Then this yellow line is also there in the market. Okay, if market breaks it, we can look for a sell below it. And if anything bad happens, then 325750 is the support, big zone. Okay, big zone. And if market doesn't come down, means after the market opening, if you see market going up, in that scenario, you can look for a buy above 3297. 3297 is a level above which you can look for a buy position. Personally, I do not trade at a market opening because the timing is very bad. Okay, the timing is really bad, but still many people prefer to trade at the market opening hours. So if you want to trade, okay, just wait for the market to open and see how is the market opening. If you see market is going up with good amount of volume, you can look for a buy above 3297. You can easily expect 60 to 70 pips because this area is going to cause some trouble. Otherwise, before that, you can expect an upside on the market. Okay. And one more thing I would like to add here is that if you're a beginner, new trader, then obviously, okay, these days, okay, are very tough for you. So in that scenario, you can look for trading opportunity outside gold as well. Means I'm not saying that you need to quit trading on gold. Okay, no, you need to wait for better opportunities. Means instead of trading on minor levels, weak levels, try to stick to the good levels because it is important to make money, not to take too many trades. And if you're looking for a reliable forex trading broker with low spread and super safety, then yes, you can consider StarTrader. The link will be in the description because StarTrader not only have one tier 1, but they also have 2 tier 1 licenses and also have the SCL license. They also provide insurance up to $1 million, provide compensation up to 20,000 euros. The best thing about StarTrader is that, okay, the spread is very low on a standard account. Means on standard account, your spread on gold will be only 17, no extra commission. Okay, so feel free to join StarTrader. Okay, the link will be in the description. If you join StarTrader, okay, from this link here, okay, you can also be a part of my community as well. So feel free to check out. Bye bye. Take care.